Okay, let's see. Uh Here we go. Hey everybody, can you hear us? Is gonna be like the first question. Cause okay, we're just
I
getting to the
see.
yeah, it
You're
looks
seeing
like
the intro.
Uh-huh.
yeah.
I
So
think
that
so. Can you guys hear us?
how about now?
Testing,
Oh,
testing, 1, 2, 3. Check, check.
yeah. I think we might be live. So
You could
yay.
at least see our faces.
Yes, we can see our faces. I can't unmute so stuff. So post in chat as soon as you
They
can
can
hear
hear us.
us. I can hear us. Okay,
Yay!
good.
Thanks,
Oh,
Anne.
restream. Good morning, everybody. How the heck are you guys doing today?
Doing great now.
Yeah.
Same. Already dug out my driveway after a lovely snow last night. At least it was nice powdery stuff today, so we're
Oh,
less back strain.
Oh,
I
that's
was just
yeah.
explaining to someone you have to shovel while it's snowing. They're like, "Why would you do that?" And I was like, "Oh no, no, you have to, or else it's gonna not be nice to shovel."
Right. Like when you get so much, it's like you want to do little bits of it. You want to shovel 2 to 3 inches at a time, not 7, not 12. Right. Like
I would rather walk in circles on my driveway more than throw my back out lifting once.
you're
Fair enough.
exactly right. I got this really wide metal shovel that all I do is I literally just push it along and it just pushes the snow off the driveway. That's fantastic. And throw is like, yeah, that's no good at all.
Mm,
So
That's what snow blowers are for. Let them do the throwing.
that's
yes,
true.
that too.
That's true.
But they only work too. They're picky. You can't get ice chunks in there.
Well, ice chunks or the really heavy wet snow, like that is the worst. It just clogs up the shit.
Yeah.
The central section there is just it's
I have no idea what this conversation is all about.
I had a new one for snowblow people. This is something. Let me know in the chat if this has ever happened to you. I was snowblowing, and all of a sudden, it like made this like lurching, grinding noise and froze up. So I had to shut it down, and I found that someone, I'm not going to say who, someone had actually left a very long extension cord out,
No.
and it had wrapped around the auger.
no.
Yeah. So that was super scary because for those of you who don't know, taking hands off is like the number one thing that snowblowers are known for. So if it gets bound up like that, you have to be exorbitantly careful that when you release the pressure, it doesn't like just churn like 40 times and take your arm off. So
it's like what is that, Final Destination? I feel like it's in there somewhere. Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
No, that's the paranoia stuff, especially because my blower, the pull cord doesn't work anymore. So the only way I can start it is by electric start. So I have to have the power cord nearby, and I get super paranoid about did I move it off to the side and then go.
Yeah. Those Christmas
nice
lights
warm feelings for this morning.
Yeah. Speaking of warm feelings, Jared, MVP now. Woo-hoo.
Hey!
When did this happen?
Yeah. Congrats.
I've finally achieved the MVP. I'm no longer the Howard Wolowitz of the group. I now join the whole group with the title.
Yes. Congrats. So yes, we are 4 MVPs now. Maybe that's change the name of the Fabric Fridays 4 MVPs, something like that. I don't know.
We must
way too much pressure.
Wait, does that mean only MVPs could watch, or?
Yes. Congratulations, Jared. That long time coming, very well deserved.
Thanks. It's genuinely like I'm thankful because it's not like it's because of doing the stuff that I really love, which is supporting the community. So I'm happy to be continuing to support the community. That's what I'm here for, and that is just a reflection of that. So I'm beyond honored, happy to join the group on that front, and more excited to see what comes of it in the months and years to come.
Yes, well done, sir. I will say, very proud of you. Excited to see you've got a whole bunch of pre-cons and speaking sessions all lined up. So you're going to be all over the map in 2026. So I can't wait to see some of those sessions myself. So.
Yep, we already got a lot coming up. So
Who knew
already
it's
doing a
February?
whole lot of prep.
Especially
Yeah,
the one that consumes your entire F64.
Yeah. So if you haven't seen his video, you should.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You should definitely go watch his video on Varchar Max, I believe is what did that. So be very cautious around your usage of Varchar Max. So.
And it's
Yeah, the
just
sad part,
it's
it
just
didn't
a
even take
coincidence.
that much. Like, it was Varkar Max, yeah, but like only for 3,000 records. That's all it took.
Wow.
But that was granted. I also had to like generate the values, which was I think what took up most of the compute. But hey, at least we know there's a limit and where it is, and I can
The limit does
the
exist.
documentation's accurate.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, awesome. Well, and today it's very fitting that snow is one of the things we led off with because our guest today, Štěpán Rešl, is right now hopefully skiing on powdered snow in the Swiss Alps and enjoying himself today. So big shout out to Štěpán, who is our virtual, not on camera, not going to talk guest.
Not in chat. Yeah.
Not in chat. Might watch this on rerun guest. That is, we figured out very late yesterday that we completely misaligned on timings of the live stream and where he's going to be on today. So, but it's okay. It's okay because Štěpán Rešl, you are here in image, if not in practicality. So, hey, everybody, Štěpán. But what are we here for? What are we going to be doing and talking about today? Well, this all stemmed from this post that Štěpán has just created, an online app to practice M, the Power Query language. He's called it MQuest. He said at the time there's 150 levels. I think we're up to 180 levels. He keeps creating more and more. So we're going to be live on this show today. We are going to be playing Learn the M Language game. So I'm pretty excited about this. We're going to see how this goes because, you know, we should be really, what's the old hashtag? Hashtag Power Query everything.
Yes.
Yeah.
From
This
Alex
is where we
Powers.
should be, right? Yeah. So I'm excited about this stuff. You know, guest star like discount code.
They exist. They're
Good
just
job.
not here.
Good
Yeah,
job, Jack.
Yeah. That's a great one, a good one. But before we dive into that stuff, Christina, you actually have something that you wanted to bring up and wanted us to talk about before that. So
Yes, a real promotion. Speaking of promotions, I don't have a discount code. I was kind of checking. One of my good dear friends has a jewelry website that I think is incredible, and so I just bought these penguin earrings. If you're not familiar, penguins do mate for life, so that is why they're in their Valentine's Day collection. But if you are looking for a Valentine's gift or you're looking for jewelry for yourself, highly recommend checking out their website and purchasing some items from them. If you find them on Facebook, they also have some promotions going on. So feel free to look at their Facebook page and share like their posts, and they'll give you some coupon codes. So pretty fun stuff. I'm a huge fan of their work. They're local to Kentucky. I also got these like really cool earrings here too. I've started wearing some danglies so that they can show up on camera. But yeah, that's my little cross promotion for the day. These are really dear friends of mine. Her one of the ladies is actually a research assistant over at University of Kentucky, and she is working on cures for Alzheimer's and other stuff, but unfortunately just got diagnosed with cancer. And so this is one of the ways that we can help support her, and their product is absolutely incredible. So feel free to check it out. I actually just bought a bunch of earrings for my mom because it's a nice little treat, you know, shows her that she's loved. So feel free to buy a pair and support some good people.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much for promoting this, Christina. I know I'm going to go on. I'm going to finish that order, but then I was just about to do that. That I realized it's probably going to ask my
Credit card.
address right on screen and like credit card info. And I'm like,
We can't both
I
get
should probably
stocked, Chris.
do
We
that.
can't both get
yeah,
stocked.
yeah. Not like anything about me is private. You know, you could probably chat GPT my name and address, but you know, still not a great idea to do on a live stream. So
No, why invite it? Yeah. No, other thing,
Yeah.
they're all handmade. So some of their stuff say hand painted, but they are all handmade with, like, they actually have wire tools and whatnot. So
right. So discount code Kratos BI checkout gets you 0%
sorry,
off.
guys.
Yeah,
I reached
it's
out too
fantastic.
late.
It applies everywhere. It is the universal discount code for 0% off. Just use Kratos BI. Be fantastic. I really look forward to like showing up in some analyst report somewhere
Oh my
going,
word.
somebody keeps entering Kratos BI at checkout, and like I don't know why they're doing this. So that would be fantastic.
You never
Yeah.
know if Christina reaches out to her friend, it might work. So
It might. I will.
Yeah.
I will update a comment on this live stream if I get that in place. She's also a teacher, so she is at school right now. So I reached out a little
no,
too
she's
late.
got plenty of time to do it right now. Just put on a
So I'm
movie.
sure she's got nothing
Yeah.
going
Yeah,
on
clearly.
at like 8
No.
in the morning. You know?
Yep.
Yeah.
One
Just
thing at a time.
Just show
Yeah.
a movie and fix this. It's fine.
Yeah.
True.
It's
You know,
important.
Well,
priorities. Yeah.
and if she had some Nero gum, she'd have that clean energy to get her through that classroom and providing the discount codes. Nero gum, the new cinnamon flavor, is amazing. It's like Big Red with power. It's fantastic. That is the non-official promo. Use Kratos BI, check out there 2 for 0% off. And when I see you at Kratos Con in Atlanta, make sure that you show me your Nero gum for a special coupon for $0 off your next purchase.
Wow. Incredible.
Check out the extra special Kratos BI earring and gum collection.
At kratosbi.com / non-existent discount codes.
Yes. Oh, okay. All right. Enough of this silliness. We've been playing around plenty of stuff. So, yeah, Chris is a non-paid, non-attorney, oh yeah, never mind. That's right. All right. Let's get started with learning the M language on MQuest. Okay, so here's how we're going to do this. We're going to take turns rotating through answering the questions that come out of here, I guess.
Can we group test it,
we're going to
Chris?
see how this goes. What's
Let's
that?
group test.
Yeah.
We're-
Help me out. I don't know the last time I used them. So
yeah. Well,
Can we phone a
hopefully
friend?
this will take us. Yes. Yeah, phone a friend.
let me bring my chat window
so-
up. Hang on. Go ahead.
There you go. All right. So we're gonna be trying this out live. We're gonna be showing how much MVPs do or do not know the M language and how well we can do here. And hopefully this will be a good demonstration of how to get started here. Okay. Oh, look at this.
Ooh.
We're getting started. We've got the basics, data types, lists, records, tables. Wow, look at all this.
Ooh.
We'll start with the basics. Overview, the foundation of Power Query M language. M language is the formula language used in Power Query. Understanding the basics is essential to any data transformation work in Power BI, Excel, or other Microsoft tools. Key concepts, expressions. Everything in M is an expression that evaluates to a value. So it's in double quotes, like quote hello. Numbers, both integers 42 and decimals 13.14 or pi. Logical values, true and false, are lowercase. This is important. It's important. Null represents missing or unknown values. Single line or multi-line for comments can be done. All right. Here's some
Ready.
examples. Great. Let's click on Start Learning. Okay. Challenge 1. Hello, Power Query. All right. Write an expression that returns the text hello. I'm going to try this myself. It's like
Ooh.
double quote.
Is it
I
just the
don't know. I'm
text
so
or
nervous.
is it the text or the song?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello.
Let's see. Hello.
Good
I think I
job.
did it. Yep.
And here I was. I would have probably overcomplicated them and like let, source equals hello in hello.
Mhm.
Well, let's not do that.
You could write a
Okay.
function that does it, I guess.
Mhm.
All
Yeah.
right. Yeah. Let's keep it basic here. All right.
We're in basic, yeah.
So
Not the
okay.
language.
So we need to use the plus operator to add 10 and 5. All right, Kevin, how do I do this? Walk me through this.
Type the number 5, then plus, and the number 10.
I ran out of fingers.
Hey,
All right,
look at
correct. Yeah.
that.
Hey.
You guys, I feel
All
really
right.
smart right now.
I'm glad you called me first so that they get the harder ones.
Yeah. Well, this is
Getting
gonna-
us with the psychology, positive reinforcement to start before we all start struggling.
I like
All right, Christina. Use the star operator to multiply 7 plus 8 or 7 by 8.
Let's see. Type 7, then star, then 8.
All right, let's see. Boom, correct. Boy,
Does
this
it
is
matter
pretty
if there
easy.
are spaces or not?
No, it doesn't care about spaces. It's not Python.
Yeah.
Oh, it's very SQL-like. Then I'm happy.
All right. Okay, Jared. Use the slash operator to divide 100 by 4.
Oh gosh. All right. I have to let me put this into ChatGPT. Okay. So it's telling me to say type 100 and then the slash and then oh gosh, I can't remember the last number. Is it 4 or is it 5? I think it's 4.
Ooh.
477. Yeah, that sounds right.
Jake has a good idea. We should just try putting in the expected output and see if it's testing our code or not.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Like just type
Yeah.
in hello space world. Let's see what happens.
We're in challenge 5 and now we're doing Hello World. What language is this?
Right.
Oh, good call, Jake.
It only evaluates the end.
Dun dun dun, we're hacking.
We're live hacking it.
Oh, here it
Ooh.
is. Letting in.
There we go. Okay, so let x equals 10 and x times 2.
No, you just want that
Yeah.
in the in statement.
What do you mean in?
So in DAX, you know how we've got var and then return, and M we have let and in. So in the in statement, you'll have the x times 2 because that's what will be returned.
Oh, I didn't realize that was a parallel. That makes sense.
Like
Yeah.
that?
Yep.
Whoa. Hang on. So what if I just say 20?
Well, you'll still need something for the
Syntactically,
let, I
that will
think.
fail.
Mm-hmm.
If you did x equals 20 and then you said the in is 20, then that would work.
Or in is x?
Yeah.
Okay, so all that works. Define x equals 5. Okay. And y equals 3. And then in x plus y. Is that right?
Yeah, buddy.
Look at this. We're learning X or M.
Learning X. Be careful there. A lot happens on X. So
we're running into too many things that are just singular letter names now. R language, M language.
Yeah. This is the alphabet show. All right. Define A as 10 and the B equals A times 2. Okay. And the return B plus A.
throw it for a loop. Return A plus B.
Oh, crazy.
Well, okay.
It'll work the same. Obviously.
Okay. I was going to say, is this going to do something
It's not
different
much
here?
of a loop. No,
Okay.
there's
All right.
So what we've learned so far, class, is M supports arithmetic functions.
Oh,
All right.
now we
But
have.
I mean, if you're just learning this,
Well, especially if you're not used to coding languages, I feel like this is a really good way to get your feet wet with how does code take the things I'm giving it and operate.
Mhm.
True.
That was the previous exercise.
yeah. Okay. So I gotta say, use the greater operator to check if 10 is greater than 5. So what I do if 10 is greater than 5.
I don't even think you have to write the if, right?
No, it'll just return
If
true.
you just do 10 greater than 5, not wrapped around anything, should return true. You don't need the then or anything.
Oh, it just understands it's a predicate natively.
Mhm.
That's
Oh.
why the
Oh,
if
that's
even works,
interesting.
right? Because the if is evaluating this first one and then returning true or false.
Right.
Okay.
Now you get your if.
Now you
statement.
get your if, right.
Yeah.
Could I have done it before?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
just
but your return would have been true or false, right? Which is what the expression evaluates to as well. So it's just
the thing that really throws me
Easier.
for a loop in M is I don't think you need end. You just need if then else. And like SQL, case statements, you always need that end statement. I'm always trying to add it in there.
Right. Yeah, unless you do the like inline if function, which is just so
Right.
easy to read.
This is decent, right?
hmm
I mean, if you're getting started here.
Oh, null is a huge one. I use that all the time. I'll hack into M code because if you're trying to have a replace text function inside of M, it will always put quotes around your null. And so you actually have to go into the advanced power query and remove the quotes if you want it to evaluate as a true null.
Oh, because it wants to evaluate null as a string, not null as
Exactly.
the value null. Or
And so then if you're using that in a number column, it throws a fit because it's like, this is not a number. I don't know what to do with this.
Gotcha.
the meaning of life.
All right, not evaluating comments either. Good. At least I know it's not evaluating comments.
Oh, look at this. Here's a function already.
Mm.
Text out length. Oh, and look, I can use IntelliType.
It is case sensitive, M is. So that was something that annoyed me when I was first learning.
Okay, and do I have to put parentheses around?
Mhm.
Like, yeah, okay.
Is it case sensitive for both the function calls and for evaluating strings as well?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you can be
Unlike
following
RBI
along at
relationships.
home.
Yeah.
Is that why they did that in Fabric everywhere then, is they wanted to just match what M does?
I think they were actually trying to match what PySpark does. Isn't PySpark also?
Yeah,
Or am I
true.
making that up? Yeah.
Well, Python, yeah, Python is case sensitive. Actually, gosh, I remember I tested that and I forgot what I found out about it.
You're officially an
I have a
MVP
video
now,
somewhere
Jared.
on my YouTube channel that tests that, but it was part of a little series I was doing waiting for my flight out of Vegas. So I was admittedly a little sleep deprived.
That wasn't one where you were like hiding in a closet or something, right? That was different.
No,
video.
I haven't done that since the initial FabCon. We'll see. Maybe this year I'll bring back Data Bard on the Run as a series again.
That's pretty fun. I like that.
Well, you know, if you're going to talk about like data governance and management stuff, might as well do it while you're hiding from non-existent circumstances.
Amen. Yeah.
Well, this works pretty good. I think this is a great tool to learn this, huh?
Yeah.
So
No, I
getting
totally
a little more
agree.
advanced now.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Access a field with spaces in its name using first name syntax. Return the value from the record. So we want to get Alice.
Mm-hmm.
Access a field with spaces in its name uses first names. So what would I return here?
I think you have to return the hashtag.
Hashtag first name.
You'll have to put in the double quote as well.
The double quotes, yep.
That's how you refer to a column with a space in it, an M.
Oh.
So I can. Oh, maybe not.
Mm.
Or is it person dot?
Person
They have to
dot.
return the step name too. Oh, maybe not dot. Oh, this is good. This is a good test.
Oh, here we go. Oh crap. That I'm not sure that helped. Like, okay, lexical structures, A-B. Oh crap. Okay. Hang
Do we
on.
make a new step maybe? Where it's just like first name
Access-
equals and then the hashtag first name? Or is it person square bracket first name? I should have been paying more attention to all the tests of the stuff that you've been going through. I think no dot and then still the hashtag in the quotes. Sorry, I should have been clear. You'll still need the hashtag in the quotes no matter what.
Okay. Hashtag quotes.
Mm-hmm. Inside of the square bracket. I'm not being very specific at all. I'm sorry.
We're doing it live, people. I don't know if that that doesn't look right, but okay.
So the hashtag would also go inside, and it's going to be
Oh my god.
person, square bracket, hashtag, quote, first name, quote, close square bracket. Yeah,
Like that?
I think so.
Oh, look at you.
Oh, so that's how you refer. So person, just to explain where my thought process was, person at this point is a table. And so
Okay.
to refer to a specific column in a table, you'll need to put it in that column reference, which is still using square brackets instead of a period. So Kevin and I both are thinking dot because I think that's how you refer to it in other languages, like if you're parsing JSON usually. But M doesn't need the dot, just the square brackets.
Oh, this is fascinating. You can see how well we do live with this stuff. So, you know.
Yeah. And Aurora shows us another way of doing it, right? Are you still
Yeah.
on the same one?
Yes. Yes.
Oh no, you didn't.
Oh, wait, I went back.
We're
Here,
missing.
I could go
yeah.
back. Oh no.
Aurora's would actually return both the first and the last name. So person 0 would return the first row, not just the first
0
name.
doesn't do the column.
I don't think so.
You're
Oh,
saying
maybe I'm
person
wrong.
0 I can do?
Just put 0 in there, and we think it cannot index into record. Interesting.
Oh, because it's not actually a table. It's a record. So M has records, lists, and tables, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and Alex is on. Yeah, no pressure.
Alex.
Thanks, Alex.
Yeah, we're doing it live. 3 out of 4 MVPs can't answer this question. So like, don't feel bad if you struggle. All right, here's the next one. Create text with a line break. What the heck? Using hashtag if.
Oh,
Okay. Well, is it just literally this?
yeah. I think you'll need all of this. Yeah, you got
Well,
it.
there you go. Okay. And you know what?
So-
this is a good example, right? It's literally here, right? So you can see how you would write it and how it works and functions here. That's
And
nice.
this is
And
also
like we
something
should,
that pops up all the time, Chris. If you use SQL
Mm.
inside of M and you put in native SQL queries and you look at the advanced M code, this shows up all over the place.
yeah. Oh, I like this quite a bit.
Line returns in a value. Did people use that much? That seems very much like it's just going to take a Power BI report and make it very, very long, very quickly.
I've only seen it in SQL queries.
Yeah, we do like that in our SQL queries, but that's because we, for especially when you have to do SSRS reports, it's kind of handy.
Yeah.
I think it's just the hashtag and the number in the parentheses.
Well, he just tried that. I think they're.
Let's go to the docs. Oh, same
We have
docs.
to escape it? No. Do you have to do text.from or something? I'm trying to remember how Unicode works in M.
Create a heart symbol using Unicode.
Maybe it's text.unicode? I feel like there's a function involved here. No. Oh, there it is. Okay. And then in the parentheses, just put the number 2665. Nope, guess not.
Dun, dun, dun.
Cannot call number as a
It's
function.
only challenge 20. We can't be stumped now. We've got another like 20.
Yeah, well, this is the last this is the final boss of this level. So like,
Oh, we need
we're
our
at
boss music.
For the Unicode, when you did the IntelliSense for that, what popped up with that? Just equals,
Okay.
maybe? That's weird. No.
Okay.
What does show hint tell you?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Help me write the M code for. Come on, Copilot. Oh, is it that easy?
That's all we were missing?
Well, hang on. Let's see. Hey!
There you go.
Copilot for the win.
I think Jake had it too. Just needed the
Oh,
quotes
yeah.
around it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Can't have a number as just a number.
Yeah.
But what is this? Before you move on, what does the show hint do on these in this? Oh,
Show hint.
Under the output.
Yeah, you got your columns where.
Oh.
Yeah, right there.
Okay.
Oh, because it needs to convert to hex. That's okay.
I gotcha. Learn.
2665, the number is different from 2665, the hex number, which is 266. Picky.
Look at that. All right. Well, look at this. We've completed the first level here under basics.
Yay!
Hey!
Is there a cert for this now? Do we get a certification?
Oh, that'd be
Don't know.
cool.
Who's going to get the certification and then put it up on LinkedIn?
Well, it's a popular thing on gaming platforms now. Is you need the achievements thing. So, like, we need to have a profile on here.
I'm
Say this is my
happy to
profile.
announce that I completed level 1 of this awesome.
This certification thing.
All right, everybody, let's go on and post on LinkedIn now.
Yes. Yeah, everyone honorarily has that. If you're a part of this live stream, you've completed this stuff. So yeah, we're ready to go.
Use code greatest for XP bonus.
Did we ever put the link to the platform out on the
Oh my gosh, we did not. This is super easy. Like everyone should like play along. It is fantastic. All right. Well, this wasn't. Was this supposed to be hard or no? It just wasn't as hard as the heart. Like
I know that heart really threw us.
yeah.
I'm never. Maybe I should. I don't know. I'm always doing my Unichart characters in DAX.
Okay.
Because typically I want up and down arrows, and so I want those to be a little more dynamic. But now I know.
What? Oh, look at this. This is a hard one.
Mm.
Escaping the text.
Mm-hmm.
You need more quotes
Uh-oh.
there. Double
What do I
in front
need
of it.
there? What's that?
And at the beginning, yeah, that right there.
Mm-hmm.
Put another quote.
Oh, and another one
And then-
here.
Well, no,
No,
you're
you
good there.
do
No, you're
that.
good there with 2. Oh wait, that's the end of it.
No,
Yes,
but
you
you
need
have to
one. You
finish
need
the
one more
string.
to close the last one.
Yeah.
Okay. Boom! We got it.
See,
that's
you didn't
it.
even need me.
Is it well, okay.
Cool. What?
Well, I don't know. We could go back again, but it had 2 at the end. I wonder if you went. She said hello, double quote, space, single quote. See, because if you run this, see how it puts 2 at the end.
Oh,
Now move over and put a space in between. You got put right there. Yep. Oh, interesting.
Fail.
boo.
Too much space. Not enough
Well,
time.
what if? Yeah, because I wouldn't want the second quote. So take the third one off. See what happens. Run.
Well, it wanted
Yeah.
you. So you see the expected output does have the double quotes.
Yeah, it's got a quote
At the
here,
end.
a
Yeah.
quote here, and then inner quote, inner quote. That's what we want, right? So, although
I wouldn't want the double quotes at the end.
Well, for yours,
I get-
Kevin, you wouldn't want the double quotes at the beginning either. Right.
huh?
Oh. Uh-oh.
Hmm.
We lose Chris.
We must.
Oh no!
Oh, no.
Well, he's kind of here because the screen is
There's the
showing
screen.
now. There he
is.
is. Is he here? Is he not here? Let's play hide and seek with Chris.
Chris,
Oh, this
Chris.
is a whole lot
Oh,
of
he's
fun.
phasing in and out of existence. Chris,
Yeah.
hit F5 to refresh. F5 to refresh.
Did y'all try turning Chris on or off and on again? So,
And we do want to take one moment, and I do want to thank an actual sponsor of all of our errors. That's Spectrum Internet for live stream errors and poor upload speeds. If you want to have inconsistent, internet, you should go Spectrum Internet. That's what they're known for. It's my favorite thing with Spectrum Internet. So
Don't get me started on Spectrum. I have a very long history with Spectrum. It's complicated. It's not for life.
I don't think it's complicated. They're awful. They're a garbage company. They're like every year they like publish like this, like, who's the most hated company out there? And it's never like the chemical bomb manufacturers of the world that are killing people. It's Spectrum Internet. Like Spectrum Cable and Spectrum Internet are the worst. People hate them so much. It's probably says something about just
FBI Spectrum.
right. Oh gosh. Okay. Use text. Okay, here we are. We're moving on. We're getting to something. A number
learning
of text.
more functions.
Yes.
Now this is going to be good. I think.
Oh, I love text from.
form.
I have to use text from all the time.
1, 2, 3. I'm gonna guess that you don't need a.
You got it.
Okay, so you don't wrap that in quotes. Or what happens if you wrap in quotes?
Nothing.
No, it'll still work.
Yeah, it'll still work. But
but
that's not right. The whole
Yeah, in that case, you're giving text out from a string, and it's just converting a string to a string.
It's keeping a
Yeah.
string. Got it. Yeah.
Convert my.
Now this is useful in a whole bunch of situations, especially when you're trying to create
Yeah, if you're trying to concatenate 2 columns and one of them is technically a number, this is what you're going to use. Or if you're wanting to write stuff from scratch. So like I've got a Power Query M calendar that's really robust, has tons of comments. You guys are feel free to use it. I'll put the link in here. But part of that is converting year into a text field because I never want to sum up my years.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I'll also say this is very useful in like creation of URLs in like dynamic URLs that you want to send someone through to Dynamics, right? You want to send someone through to a customer page inside of Dynamics when they like, oh, okay, that customer shows up in a list or whatever. You can have that URL dynamically generate based upon that customer ID number. And you often have to stick this in and concatenate that into that URL to give you that dynamic value. So that's very useful there.
That's a great call out. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
number from.
And this is good. This is a number from.
I won't lie, this
doing
one
inverse.
I barely use. Because usually you would just convert that column into a number field, but
Well, if you do
fair
that
enough.
with the UI, is this what it generates for it, or is that a different call? What it
it's
does
a different thing. So at the end of the column, it'll have a change type step, but then they
Right.
also have like curly brackets in there, and so then it uses the column type, which would be for a decimal, it would be type space number, but for an integer, it's int64.type. So it's just slightly different.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gnarly.
It's fun though
Okay, that's
when you
cool.
figure it out and you're like, okay, I can just do this now.
Mm-hmm.
This is neat because you can like experiment. Like, okay, so I was just trying to get text. I didn't do hello. I could do hello, right? I did that first. That worked.
Nice.
But then I was able to like, okay, I can use this in anything for determining a type, right? So look at that. I didn't know you could do this. So what if I did 12.3? That's still number.
Type
So
the word true.
is it only
true?
Nice.
logical?
Incorrect. It's logical. Might needs a little bit more of a verbose error there.
Use the not operator to return the opposite of false. Okay.
Yup.
Okay.
Does it support the bang syntax?
What's
The exclamation point?
it's
Sorry.
Chris had a moment.
Well, no. Instead of the not, you put the exclamation point
Oh yeah.
and then false. No, I guess not.
I feel like, what about not equals, like with the greater than or less than?
what?
Yeah, so I think the exclamation point one works if you're doing it like a Boolean function, where you say like, hey, this doesn't equal this.
Well, this works, so I'm gonna keep going.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yay.
So there's some other features to this tool as well, because I brought it up on my own and was kind of looking at it.
Oh yeah.
What's that?
There's a playground.
Oh.
Really?
Yeah, so if you go back to the home screen,
Okay.
I think probably got it. Yeah.
Look
So
at
now
this.
you
I
can
have
see how it's put that.
4,200 experience
You
points,
you
baby.
are.
Woo.
But you could go into the playground and just mess around,
Nice.
Oh, look
Level
at this.
and it's going to tell you things that you can't do, like which makes sense for safety. It's not going to let you use like the web.contents or connect to a SQL database or things like that. So that
Oh,
makes sense.
man.
But if you wanted to just kind of, run some other things to test out your knowledge or learn things about certain functions, could be a nice little way to do that in the playground.
Mhm.
Well, that's cool.
So if you were writing similar functions like this, like without this in place, where would you be doing this? Would this be a tabular editor thing, or would you do this?
Like if you
Inside of
just wanted
Advanced
to
Editor?
learn,
Yeah.
open up Power BI desktop and go into Advanced Editor, or open a data flow and go into Advanced Editor and goof around. But this feels like a little bit better way.
Oh,
Oh,
they do have achievements. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, look at this.
That is fun.
Completionist. Oh, speaks to my heart.
List master. I don't know exactly what a list master is, but now I want to be a list master.
it's probably when you get up to the challenge that you work with the list functions.
Wow, look at this. Get 3 stars on 10 challenges. What's 3 stars? Oh, have I been screwing up? Like, I don't know what a star is.
Me
Maybe I
neither.
wasn't paying attention somewhere. Oh, look
Maybe
at
there's
this.
later on more interactive stuff that you can get like perfect on with stars. I don't know.
Oh, and
Maybe.
we've got the whole docs here too. So I mean, this is cool. I am a
Yes.
fan. And he's
And
got his
Jake
blog
was
out here
asking,
too. So do check this out.
yeah, maybe he'll open up somewhere how he's doing it. But Jake was asking, interesting to know how this service runs. I know when I first loaded it up, I noticed it talk about loading Python and stuff like that. So it's using some Python behind the scenes. But yeah, maybe if our guest, stopped skiing, we could ask him by the
He's
fireside.
not gonna-
Whoa! What's the answer to the question?
But I mean, I think this is a great way to get started in learning all of these different capabilities. And it's not necessarily, it's not hard, but you're definitely learning as you go, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're learning as you go. It scales up nice. I mean, it gamifies the whole process, which, I mean, there are plenty of studies out there that talks about how that benefits the learning experience. Is like it keeps it fun and engaging, which is oftentimes where, like, all right, you get through the first 100 pages of technical documentation and then you realize you only remember the first 4 pages.
Yeah. Or you're like, I don't know if it can do this. That tends
Right.
to be my biggest sticking point is I just don't think it can do that. And doing something like this shows you all the different ways it could do it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
In a way, I would kind of like if instead of it making you go through its learning path, that you could just kind of open everything up and jump in and out of the different things. But
Well,
that's just
so
me.
I used to teach using a crazy calculated calendar table that I used in
Mhm.
I put the link in the chat, but basically just going through that was like, okay, this is I think 140 lines of M code. And just like as many functions as I could think that were practical. But it doesn't even include functions, right? Like there's so many things that M can do. It can run API calls, it can do looped API calls, all kinds of crazy stuff. There's functions you can add in there. I've seen some amazing stuff be done in M that I didn't think was possible. I know Christian, I don't know if he has a blog, but he is really good at Power Query and data flow stuff too.
Who is
So
that?
maybe at least ask
Christian from SML Group. I'm gonna butcher his
Oh.
last name, but I can at least try and spell it right.
Well, I was going to send a link for people who want this Grayskull Analytics shirt because it's fantastic, but it's not on his store anymore. So,
Oh,
no.
limited edition.
yeah, I'm one of the handful out there. But I will say, and this is kind of exciting. If you order now, they've got
You could auction
two
off that
shirts
shirt.
out there. Yes, used T-shirt. People love that stuff. That's
Oh,
There's,
Christian's
you know
speaking
what?
at FabCon. I put the link to his session. So if anybody wants to look at his
Oh,
session,
cool.
it's going to be getting started with Dataflow Gen 2 and bulletproofing data flows, and all of that's going to be Power Query. So
Fabric doesn't suck.
Fabric doesn't suck and Tableau Survivor. Holy cow. Have you guys ever done a large scale Tableau to Power BI conversion before?
yes.
Holy cow.
Yes.
Those poor Tableau people.
Well, and
Oh,
you're lucky if they see it that way. I find that
Yeah.
like most of those migrations are even more painful because nobody wants to leave Tableau. So
Mm.
they're
Right.
like, Power BI doesn't do exactly how Tableau does it. And I'm like, no, it doesn't. I don't
Yeah.
know what to tell
Yep.
you. Like, but man, is
Yeah,
it cheaper? And once you learn it, you're going to be just fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, and I mean, look at anyone who tries to move like their team off of Excel based reports, right?
Oh,
Like,
yeah.
Mhm.
Like,
Mhm.
okay, well, here's my Excel based report and I want to convert it to Power BI. Fantastic. Walk me through how you create it. Okay, well, it's simple. I just download this file and then I perform these 4,000 manual transformations on the file, depending upon little demons that run around in my head and
Yeah,
what
yeah.
they whisper to me in the dark of the night
The
as
face
to
of the
what I
moon.
should do with the numbers. And
Some
Yeah.
things don't work well, so I actually manually just type that in here.
Oh.
right.
Can't you automate that?
Yeah. Like,
The
don't
day
you
that I
have the
got-
demon whisperer? Like, get the demon
It's
whisperer.
an add-on. Sorry, it's extra
Yeah.
cost.
Yeah.
I had one client, not even a client. I was full time at a business and I was working as an analyst for one account manager. And he told me, he goes, actually, I don't use the numbers you give me. I just put in whatever numbers I want to into the PowerPoint that fit our SLA. I was like, why am I here? What's happening? Like, went above his head and was like, I'm not cool with this. I am out. So, but
Yeah.
it happens and it's crazy. I would prefer the demons in an Excel workbook to that. So
I worked with a lady every morning who would come in and she'd go to balance the books. And she'd like, okay, there's this number in this book and this number in this book. And she would either subtract or add whatever is necessary to like, and just change the number. Like, there you go, balanced out. Like,
Yeah.
what did
How
you
did you
just
know which
do?
one was right?
Yeah.
No,
I
I just
don't
know. I just know. I understand the business more than you do. I know which
Right.
one's right.
Yeah.
Oh, sure. That's great. Yeah.
And sometimes it's like $1.27, so probably not a
Right.
big deal. Other times, significantly more. Like, you just made up someone's salary right there. What is happening? Like this is
like, gosh, we're bankrupt and we didn't see it coming. Well, gee, I wonder why.
Oh, yeah. Oh gosh, it's so funny. Oh,
Funny because it's true.
And it's sad.
Yeah,
It's funny because we're not in it anymore. That's why it's funny.
right. We're not touching that right now. that third rail. We're not currently locked into a death
Locked
grip
death.
with it. Unable to let go as the energy courses through our veins and the train is coming. But good. That's a great service out there. As you guys try this out, please do, like, if you're able to finish this off, I want to hear what your experience is. Like, leave a comment down below in the YouTube channel. And because I am a super good YouTuber, I'm remembering to say, hey, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I can't imagine there's a lot of people that are this far in who haven't already subscribed, but you know,
you never know.
hit like. You know, there's 2 likes on this video. You're here at this. Hit the like button. That'd be great.
I always hit the like button. As soon as I feel like it, I'm like, here we go.
Me and you, Christina.
I just put my thumb up on the live stream. That counts, right?
That counts. Yes, that counts.
Oh, good deal. Good deal. Okay, so we got a lot coming up. Everyone here on this live stream is going to be all over the place in the upcoming weeks and months. Let's quick do a 30-second blitz on where each of us is going to be. We'll start with you, Jared, because you're the new MVP, so you get to go first. Where can people find and see you?
All right, so upcoming things. If you happen to be in Wisconsin in a couple of weeks, I will be giving a presentation for my local user group. Then I'll be at Data Saturday Chicago, doing actually a preview of my presentation for FabCon. So check that out there. It's the weekend before FabCon, so go and check that out. FabCon, I'll be there speaking on T-SQL surface area. We'll have a good time there on Thursday. And then Friday of FabCon week, I'm actually leaving FabCon early to go and do a pre-con at SQL Saturday Atlanta on T-SQL fundamentals.
Nice.
Awesome.
I didn't know that got announced. I didn't hear that one.
It hasn't been announced yet.
This is the announcement.
Yeah, because the call for speakers just closed on that, right? So.
Yeah, the call.
Well, he already picked the pre-cons. He did already.
The pre-cons are already selected. That's a separate process.
Yeah.
You'll hear it here first. It is.
Spoilers.
If you stayed to the
end. That's what I've got on the docket for right now.
Okay. Cool. And Christina, where are you going to be?
Yeah. So my next presentation is going to be at DataTune. So I'll be doing full day workshop with Chris Hyde. We're going to be doing modernizing your data warehousing with using Fabric. So we're going to cover intro to warehousing all the way up to some of the tips and tricks that we know with using data warehousing inside of Fabric. So it's going to be really awesome, full day. And then I'm also speaking at the event. So should be really fun. I'm a big fan of DataTune. It happened a couple years ago and it was incredible. So if you're in the Nashville area, check it out. It's going to be a good time. And then 2 weekends after that, I'll be in SQL Saturday Chicago. We're doing the pre-con as well there. And then I'm also speaking at that one. And then right after that will be FabCon, where we'll be doing the full day workshop in all its glory. And then I'm also going to be speaking about Fabric licensing at that one. So it's going to be super fun. I'm very excited.
But, amazing.
Yeah. And then I'll be at SQL Saturday Atlanta. I don't know if I'm speaking yet. We haven't announced it yet, but I'll be there no matter what. I'm a big fan of that one. Yeah.
Awesome. And Kevin?
Well,
where are we going to see you?
I'll be attending FabCon. I'm not speaking, but I'll be around that whole week. At least attending Atlanta SQL Saturday, right? So basically going into Atlanta Sunday to Sunday. But then my next speaking event is actually SQL Bits in April.
Oh, exciting.
So that's kind of, I got 2 sessions that thankfully were selected there. So my wife is happier than I am about that because she gets to go and just goof around
in Wales.
So we're going early and we're staying an extra week after that. So I'll be out quite a bit from there. And then who knows
Awesome.
what the rest of the schedule looks like. A lot of things are still waiting to be picked right now. So
Sweet.
that's
What
it.
about you,
Chris,
Chris?
what about you?
So I will be at FabCon. My presentation on SQL databases in Fabric will be Friday morning, 8 a.m. So if the producers allow of FabCon, we might have Fabric Fridays live at FabCon in session. Look for a slight adjustment in timing to keep that in place or not. I don't know if they're going to let us do that, but we might give that a shot. So stay tuned for that. And this is big. We will be live at FabCon doing interviews on this channel with all sorts of people. We've had Arun trying to coordinate time. We've got looked like we might get Amir and Kim and all sorts of other people might be coming. We're in negotiations with all sorts of like admins, but regardless, there's going to be lots of interviews. Just swing by the booth. You can come find me. We'll shake hands. I got a whole bunch of swag. Look, I just got some new like Fabric Power BI
Ooh.
magnet swag that just showed up yesterday. So that's getting added to the bin. So stop by, shake let's shake hands. And if you're interested in doing an interview, like we'll do an interview live. But I'm going to be interviewing a lot of people. So just even swing by the booth and watch it live when you're there. So it's going to be a fantastic 3-day event at FabCon. Looking forward to seeing you guys all there. And with that, we are way over time.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for tuning in. You guys had the best weekend ever. Peace. Baker Tilly Digital combines strategic industry insight and advanced technical expertise to uncover and solve your digital transformation challenges. If you're interested in learning more, check out our website at bakertilly.com/digital.